Alright, so in this videos we are just going to be talking about parameters in Python. So parameters, to get our parameters in Python is very easy, just like how we do, but something really different. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to import system itself, and then we can tell to say our argument. So this is our argument value is coming from system dot argument value, like that. And inside this argument value, the system of argument value, we can try to view what is there by using the for loop. So just for the same thing we did with bash, using for loop that loops through some sequence of arrays or characters. You can just say for value in argument value. So this is the syntax. Then we want to go ahead and print the value itself. So that's all. And we should be much in what's called careful, because Python actually deal with indexing and spacing, like that. So we don't want to mess up with the space. So any space we use, if you use a tab, so you make sure that you use a tab to indent your code all through the code. So you don't want to use tab somewhere and space somewhere. Python is going to return an error. So let's run this. Okay, that's now our desktop. This is our space. All right. As you can see, because we have only Python here, so it's return only Python to us. And what if we have some other informations like argument 1, argument 2, and argument 3? You can see it's returned back to us argument 1 to 3, the name of the name of the file, which is on index 0 1 2 3. Let's say that I want to get the only the last one, or let me say this, the argument 1. So the index is 0 1 2. So for me to actually do that, to get that, you can just say only print out argument value or index 2. So let's save this right here. Let's run it. You can see it has returned only the value on indent 2. So that is how we get our parameters, or let me say arguments, or anyone you like to call it. I think there is difference between parameters and arguments. So that's for another video. So alright, so that's all for this video. See you in the next tutorial, please.